Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It's the 11th of February 2025, and it's about 2:35 in the afternoon in London. So, I'm going to be placing my first trade now that the market is open in the USA. So, anyone who's new to the channel, this channel is all about long term investing. My portfolio is going to be between 5 and 10 years, and that's my investment horizon as well. I'm going to be investing regularly 3 times a day, and through my research I've found 3 companies that are going to hopefully make it big in the future. So Tesla, NVIDIA, and MicroStrategy. Tesla is going to be my robotics and autonomy bet. NVIDIA is going to be my GPU and AI bet, and MicroStrategy is going to be my Bitcoin bet. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen in the future. My portfolio is between 5 and 10 years, the investment horizon. So I'm expecting all of these companies to at least 2 to 3x over that time, and I'm just going to be slowly building into the position, and my aim is to build a $1 million portfolio. So let's have a look at what's happening at the moment. So if we have a look at the general investment account, you can see it's valued just under 84,500. Stocks and shares just over 12,000, and self-invested personal pension just under 1,000. So the markets have gone down. They've been going down, but I'm not too concerned about the short-term fluctuations. It's just an opportunity for me to deploy more money into the market and buy these companies at cheaper rates. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to be investing in Tesla to start off. So before I do that, let's have a look at the movement today. So it's down about half a percentage point, and it's at 348. I believe it's going to go to 340, and hopefully it's going to bounce back from that support. But again, if it falls further down, I'm not too concerned. It's just another buying opportunity at a better price. So I'm going to buy that now. So I'm going to be buying £70 worth. So I'm going to review the order, confirm the buy. Hopefully it's going to go through quickly today. Okay, so that's done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be purchasing £20 of MicroStrategy. Again, this is because I can't buy any Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency through my SIP or my ISA, so I'm going to have to buy MicroStrategy because they have a large holdings in Bitcoin. So obviously that's the best way to do it. It's going to be exempt from tax. Any gains that I make will be exempt from tax. So it's a great opportunity to let the position grow and also not pay tax on it. So here we go. MicroStrategy, it's $331 at the moment. Today it's gone down nearly 1%. So I'm going to quickly buy that. Let me just check. I've got 0.99 shares at the moment. So once I buy this, hopefully I'm going to get it to 1 share. So I'm going to put £20 in there. I'm going to confirm the buy. Sending the order through, and that's done. And I'm just going to check. I've got 1.06968,179 shares in MicroStrategy. So again, I'm just slowly building into this position. I'm raising my conviction levels. I'm learning more about Bitcoin. I'm learning more about Tesla. I'm learning more about NVIDIA. The more I learn about it, the more confidence I get when I'm investing in these companies. I'm not looking at the short-term fluctuations because I know if these companies are doing well, if they've got like a good vision of the future, then it's worth investing in these companies. And I'm not going to panic and sell if it goes down 50% or whatever. So again, I'm not too concerned about volatility. I've set it in my mind that if it goes down by 20, 30, 40, 50%, I'm still going to hold it and I'm going to add to the position, because previously I've fallen into the trap where I buy really good companies and then they go down and then I sell it either for a little bit of profit or like a loss. And then in hindsight, if I kept it a bit longer, then I would have made like 2, 3, 4, even 5x. So this time I've learned from my mistake and I'm just going to keep on buying. So now I'm going to buy NVIDIA for £10. So I'm going to review the order, put the order through. So that's going through now. So that's done. So I have got 3.4194818 shares in NVIDIA now. So again, it's slowly accumulating. I did a calculation on my position on Tesla. I found out, like, because I've got it in several different accounts, I have about 380 shares in Tesla now. The majority of my shares are in free trade, but my aim for this year is to try and get to 500 shares in Tesla. And overall, my aspiration is to eventually have 1,000 shares in Tesla, because obviously my goal is to make this into a $1 million portfolio. And if the value of Tesla does go to 1,000 and I have 1,000 shares in Tesla, then that's $1 million. So that's one way of looking at it. So that's all the money put into the market for this time. So I'm gonna be deploying another £100 middle of the day, and then before the market closes, I'm gonna be putting another £100 into the market. So every day I try to put £300 into the market and just dollar cost average into the position. So that's all for today. If you're enjoying this journey, if you feel inspired, or if you want to do the same, please like the video and subscribe. This channel is all about building that investment habit, thinking long term, looking at great companies, and not being afraid of volatility, and not being afraid like when the market goes down. So if you find value, please subscribe and like the video. I've got about 1,000 subscribers now, so I'm trying to grow this to 2,000 by the end of the year. So if you find it useful, I'd really like it if you stick around. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.